What are 5 simplest side hustles to start and earn your first dollars in the next 7 days? Alright, so let's dive deeper into each of these side hustle ideas and unpack them step by step. Side hustle. Number 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is like having a gold mine in your backyard. All you need is your trusty keyboard and some clients who are itching for quality content. To get started, build a portfolio showcasing your writing chops. You can use platforms like Google Drive or Canva to create a slick portfolio that'll catch the eye of potential clients. Once your portfolio is ready to rock, head on over to LinkedIn. It's the holy grail for finding clients in need of wordsmiths like yourself. Search for posts from folks looking to hire content writers and reach out to them with your pitch. Don't be shy. The freelance world rewards those who hustle. Side hustle. Number 2. Consulting. If you're a guru in a specific field and love sharing your wisdom with others, consulting might just be your calling. Platforms like TopMate provide the perfect stage for you to strut your stuff. Set up your profile, highlighting your expertise and experience, and watch as clients come flocking. But don't stop there. Sprinkle some calls to action in your social media posts to reel in even more clients. Remember, the key to successful consulting is to showcase your knowledge and offer solutions to your clients' problems. Side hustle. Number 3. Selling ebooks. Ebooks, the bread and butter of the online world. Creating an ebook is easier than baking a cake. Trust me, I've tried both. Start by choosing a niche and topic that tickles your fancy. Then, draft an outline to map out your ebook's journey. Once you've got your roadmap, it's time to put pen to paper, or fingers to keyboard, and start writing. Don't worry about perfection. You can always polish your masterpiece later. Once your ebook is ready to go, spruce it up with a snazzy cover design using Canva. Now comes the fun part, selling. Platforms like Gumroad and Amazon KDP make it a breeze to get your ebook in front of eager readers. Side hustle number 4. Create digital products. Got an idea that's been bouncing around in your head? Turn it into a digital product and watch the magic happen. Whether it's a guide, template, or online course, there's a market out there for just about anything. The beauty of digital products is that they require minimal upfront investment and can be sold over and over again. So, dust off that idea you've been sitting on and give it the digital makeover it deserves. Who knows? It could be the next big thing. Side hustle. Number 5. Selling printables. Last but not least, we have selling printables. If you've got an eye for design, this one's for you. Start by creating your printable masterpieces using Canva. Whether it's planners, wall art, or stickers, the possibilities are endless. Once your designs are ready to go, list them on Etsy, the go-to marketplace for all things handmade and unique. The best part? You don't need to be a marketing whiz to succeed on Etsy. The platform already has a built-in audience of buyers just waiting to discover your creations. And for an extra boost, share your printables on Pinterest to attract even more attention. So there you have it, 5 simple side hustles to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Whether you're a wordsmith, a consultant, or a creative genius, there's a side hustle out there with your name on it. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start hustling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.